Stop! Don't eat watermelon again until you see this.
Hey, I know this might sound crazy, telling you not to eat watermelon.
But before you close this video, trust me, you need to hear this. Because once you know what I'm about to show you, you'll never look at watermelon the same way again. Most people eat watermelon wrong. They eat it casually, alone, or as a light snack. But that's not just a missed opportunity, it's a mistake. Watermelon isn't just another fruit. It's a powerful gift loaded with nutrients, hydration, and healing power, especially when combined with lemon and ginger. Yes, ginger and lemon. Watermelon is about 92% water, but don't let that fool you. Inside that juicy red flesh is an army of nutrients fighting for your health. A lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and supports heart health. A citrulline, a natural compound that boosts blood flow and supports muscles. And vitamins A and C for glowing skin and a strong immune system. A hydration, better than any sports drink on a hot day. But wait, add ginger and lemon and watch the magic. Now imagine taking all of that goodness and turning it into a super drink. That's exactly what happens when you mix watermelon with lemon and ginger. Lemon adds vitamin C and helps detox your body. Ginger boosts digestion, fights colds, and has amazing anti-inflammatory effects. That's why I don't want you to just eat watermelon anymore. I want you to transform it, blend it, drink it, share it with your family and friends. Let them experience this powerful recipe. Watch this before you take another bite. If you haven't seen the first video, go watch it right now. I'll show you step by step how to make this refreshing and healing watermelon juice. Click the link in the description. Trust me, your body will thank you. So remember, don't just eat watermelon, drink it, share it, love it, and never eat it the same way again. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more powerful health secrets. Comment below. Have you ever tried watermelon with ginger and lemon? I am very grateful for your support. God bless you. Thank you for watching.